gentlemen, this is the NN group of companies. We NN group of companies going to do something which has never been done before, and it will be history.
Yes.
Our CEO and the team are setting off from Arua, and we are flagging him off the Basin River down there in Mozambique.
Zimbabwe.
One fantastic thing. This is NN headquarters next to River Nile, the longest river in Africa.
Yes.
Where our headquarters is situated, and he will get 1.5 liters of the holy water of River Nile.
Yes.
He will also go to Mombasa, the Indian Ocean, the largest in the world. He will also get some water there, 1.5 liters, and then he will go to
Victoria, the mighty
Victoria Falls.
So we unite the river of Africa.
The three waters will unite Africa.
It has never happened. But NN gonna unite River Nile, Indian Ocean, and the Zambezi together. One Africa, one destiny. Here we go.
Africa, and so many brands, some of my colleagues are going to deliver to you. Many brands were having like
the sponsors of this trip, historical trip.
However, as the older man, the senior citizen is flying this holy team for
senior citizen. Listen carefully.
Kilometers with our tiger here, brand new. Anybody in the world come to us and get such a car. We are ready to offer you.
And very soon we're gonna have a self-drive car made in Arua, fly from USA, to Entebbe, Arua Airport, come and get a self-drive car, go to Murchison Falls, go to Queen Elizabeth, explore Uganda. From Arua to the world. Here we go.
Come, Europe come.
Here we go.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location where you are right now. I am Faiza Moseka, line manager of NN Group company. Today we are
Flag off, huh?
flagging off our CEO annually the continental tour. The support of the Simba, king of the road.
The king of the road, they call it Tiger.
Land Cruiser.
The Simba is retired but not tired.
Land Cruiser also. The Land Cruiser you can't go wrong.
Sure.
Off-road, 4x4, you can't go wrong.
Sure.
You're welcome if you need such adventure. If you want to go for such adventure without any problem on the way, please just come to NN Group of Company. Our HQ is located along Arua Highway. Get the service that you need.
Vehicle mount fully kit car in Arua.
And your vehicle will have all the recovery kits. You have all the recovery kits. By the time the vehicle leaves our HQ, when it goes, you won't get stuck on the way.
Here we go.
And we have so many. Please come at your comfort zone, come at your convenient time. Visit our showroom.
One-stop shop.
Yes.
Multi-brand. Here we go. Come on. Thank you very much. All right, who else have it?
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, morning, good evening, viewers. We are very excited today. It's a great day. We always do this yearly.
Annual major events.
And
Yeah.
we are always very excited to send our CEO representing all this.
From the team to the world.
From the team to the world, and the world of adventure, full of fun, full of excitement. But don't forget, we can always find all these brands that we are excited to share with you. NN Group of companies has got you covered with all the accessories.
Shop.
It is a one-stop shop center that you can have all the accessories,
Camping gears, outdoor essentials,
outdoor, indoor,
suspension
and
upgrade.
outdoor
Wow.
accessories, and can be fully covered with ARB, TPM, Ironman, Toyota,
Isuzu, Tata.
All mixed up. We are very excited today.
Super. Cheers.
Cheers. Have a great day. Safe journey.
Thank you.
As you come.
Likewise. Nice day too. Who else has something?
Hello viewers, you're most welcome to our show once again. I'm very happy to travel with my father on this overland trip this year 2025-2026 to Zambezi, Zimbabwe.
But you're gonna be happy with something. That's a fact.
With Kenya, Mombasa. Don't forget to tell you about the brands and NNB. We have TJ, Yamaha genuine spare parts, IRB 4x4 accessories, Ironman 4x4, and Isuzu genuine parts, together with train battery and non bat, the source of power.
Source of power, here we go! Alright, adventure, the mighty rivers and falls of Africa. The mission, our mission statement is to unite the river and the ocean of Africa. Talk about we are here in Arua, located at the northern Uganda. This is where the adventure will just set go. Now this is the northern Uganda, where is it? Yes, West Nile, northern Uganda, is it? The great northern Uganda. Here we go. The adventure starts from this point, as you can see, this is the HQ, where there's the World Talk Show multi-brand. In Arua here, we're going to say from here, we took about around 11,000 kilometers ahead of us. The obstacle, the challenge, we're going to face it. By the mighty power of Allah, we know we're going to make it successful. Not me, but Almighty power, inshallah. So the journey is almost 11,000 plus. This is a tentatively figure, but it may go more than that. That's only tentative 11,000 kilometers. From today to today's already 23rd of December 2025, and this is 2025-2026, who they across continent, 5 countries in the continent. Unite, join, we're gonna make something historical. Even no one ever think about it. Who can come with the idea of uniting the river Atlantic, Indian Ocean and the Zambezi River? We're gonna fetch water 1.5 liters from the mighty falls of Uganda, the greatest. It's called the Murchison Falls in Uganda. We're gonna carry the same water up to Atlantic Ocean as well. We're gonna carry the water 1.5. Finally, they'll end up all of them in the mighty river called Victoria Falls. That is another mission. That is a symbol of African unite. One team, one mission, one color, one blood. Africa, we are unite. So we're gonna try to support, unite Africa, so that we can be the pioneer and the ambassador of how to unite Africa. Different color, one people. This is Africa. That's the spirit. That's the main mission as well. You have to make it. I'll make sure that you believe that water will make sure when you enjoy that moment, I will capture and share with you. That was the historical moment. I'm looking forward. Looking so excited. So excited. So far, so good from here. We're going to set up and then set our begin our journey. But there's a lot of story to share, a lot of historical corridors, wildlife, landscape. It's just beauty, as usual, Forest of Overland. You to share with you in a more amazing way. Nice sound coming, nice editing, nice stuff are coming to make you excited and relaxed, enjoy your holiday as you get our adventure on your sitting room in front of the screen, maybe on your phone. So you're gonna be on board spiritually, although practically, you know, the body maybe in the future. So you're gonna have fun. After you take you somewhere from here, because we have that excitement, exciting moment. Maybe we can go to Kenya Masai sometime. Full bus of and crew on adventure. We just hope for the best. It will come. It will come. Nothing is impossible in life. You can make it reality. And then make dream come true. Dream can come true. Here we go. Bye.
Tukale, lakini hata kujali, tawali, akatekwa na wale